In this walkthrough, we're going to connect your apparel supplier catalogs inside OBPrint. We'll look at S&S Activewear and SanMar. You do not need to connect both suppliers to use OBPrint, but connecting at least one of them is what makes apparel quoting way more powerful. Once a supplier is connected, OBPrint can pull in style search, garment colors, sizes, and live pricing directly into your quotes instead of making you type everything in by hand. Let's head into Settings. Now we're inside Settings, under API and Integrations. At the top, you'll see quick links for areas like accounting, suppliers, shipping, messaging, and payments. For this setup, we're focused on suppliers. This is where your apparel catalog API credentials are added and verified. Without a supplier connection, you can still build quotes, but you'll be manually entering garment costs and product details. Once S&S or SanMar is connected, the quote builder can search the live supplier catalog and bring in style numbers, colors, sizes, and pricing automatically. Let's start with S&S Activewear. For S&S, OBPrint needs your account number and API key. If you already see your API key inside your S&S account, you can use it here. If the API key is not available on your account page, contact the email api@ssactivewear.com and request API access for your account. One important thing here, your API key is not the same as your normal S&S website password. For S&S, your account number is used as the username, and your API key is used as the password. Paste those into the fields here. Warehouses are optional. If you leave them blank, OBPrint can search across all available locations. Once everything is filled in, click Save. Next, let's look at SanMar. SanMar also requires API access before this connection will work. If you have not been set up for SanMar API services yet, reach out to SanMar and request web services or API access for your account. Once SanMar gives you access, you'll enter your customer number, username, and password here. Once SanMar is connected, SanMar products can show up in the quote builder alongside your other supplier catalog. Below S&S and SanMar, you may also see additional suppliers through PromoStandards. This part is optional. Use it for other apparel, headwear, or product suppliers your shop buys from regularly. Each additional supplier has its own credentials and its own verification step. And that's it. You're ready to quote apparel with connected supplier catalogs. Open any quote, click Add Product, and search by style number, brand, or item. With a connected catalog, OBPrint can pull in colors, sizes, and costs automatically, making quoting faster, cleaner, and way less manual. You can rerun this tour anytime from Help and Support, under Guided Tours, then connect supplier catalogs. If the connected badge will not turn green, double-check the credentials your supplier gave you, save after every change, and reach out to support if you're still stuck. Happy quoting!
OBPrint. Print smarter.